In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert table in Mailchimp. So first, of course, log into your Mailchimp account. Then in the left panel, go to campaigns, then email, and click on the email that you would like to edit. Then next is click on edit design to open up the email design builder. So since Mailchimp doesn't have the table content block as of now, what we're gonna do is use blank columns to manually build our table. First is select the number of columns or basically the number of contents you would like for your table. So say for example like 2 or 3 columns to mimic a table structure. So all you have to do is drag a specific number of columns into your layout and inside each column, add text blocks, images, or buttons, depending on what information you want in each section. But actually, as you can see, the pre-made columns that we dragged in our layout already has this content blocks inside, and the only thing left for you to do is fill this out. And if you want to create additional rows like a table, simply duplicate the column block by clicking on the duplicate block button in the right toolbar. Also, make sure that you update the content for each row. In the left panel, you can modify more details and sizing of the columns for you to be able to mimic the actual appearance of a table. You can adjust padding and margins to minimize spaces and for it to be able to look like a real table. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!